In this video, we're going to discuss how to do long division for polynomials. So let's remember, how do we do the normal division if you have a long division? So how do you divide 21 divided by 4? Well, you look at the closest thing to the 21 that is divisible by 4, which is the 20. So you're going to say 20 divided by 4, you put here 5. 5 times 4 is going to be 20, and you subtract. So you'll end up with 1. Since 1 is not divisible by 4, we can write this answer as 5. You take it outside, but the 1 is still not divisible by 4, where it should be still divided by 4, so we write it the remainder 1 divided, but we're dividing by. So in the same concept, let's apply this to x squared minus 2x minus 15, and let's divide this by x minus 5, which we know that x minus 5 is actually one of the factors of x squared minus 2x minus 15. If you factorize this, you're going to get x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 3. So let's see how we can do this. There are three steps that we do, and we repeat these steps. So the first step is you divide x squared by x. The first number here, you divide it by the x. So x squared divided by x, you get x. You take this x that you just got and you multiply it by the two terms you have here. So it becomes x multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by negative 5 is going to be negative 5x. You subtract, so you change the sign and you can add. You change the sign and add. So this is going to cancel with this. Negative 2x plus 5x is going to be 3x. And you can bring down the negative 15. You repeat your steps. So the first step is you take the first term here divided by the first term here. So 3x divided by x, you get plus 3. So you put plus 3 up here. You take the 3 that you just got, you multiply it by the two terms you have here. So 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by negative 5 is negative 15. You change the signs and you add. So here you're going to get these cancel out and these cancel out, so you get a remainder of 0. So this is as if you're saying that x squared minus 2x minus 15 divided x minus 5 gives you x plus 3. Let's take another example where you were not dividing by one of the factors. So let's take x squared minus 4x plus 1 divided by, let's say, x plus 2. So again, we have our three steps. First, we divide the first term here by the first term here. So x squared divided by x is x. You put the x here, you just got, you multiply it by the two terms that you're dividing by. So x multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied by 2 is positive 2x. We subtract, so it's easier to change the sign, make this negative and negative, and add. So x squared cancels with the x squared. Negative 4x minus 2x is negative 6x, and you add the one that you just got here. So negative, you take the first divided by the first. So negative 6x divided by x is negative 6. You take the negative 6 that you just got, you multiply it by the two terms you're dividing by. So negative 6 multiplied by x is negative 6x. Negative 6 multiplied by positive 2 is negative 12. You change the signs and add. So you're going to end up with 13. Now, we want to divide 13 by x, but unfortunately 13 is not divisible by x, so this is what we call the remainder. So how do you write this? We say that the answer is going to be x minus 6. And then you have the 13 still divided, but by what you're dividing by, which is x plus 2. The same way we did here. We took the 1 and put it here, divided by 4, because that's your remainder, right? Let's take another example on this. So let's say you want to divide 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. You want to divide this by x plus 3. So you start first by dividing 2x squared by x. So 2x squared divided by x gives you 2x. You take what you just got, you multiply it by the two terms here. So 2x multiplied by x gives you 2x squared. So this is going to give you 2x squared, and 2x multiplied by 3 is going to be plus 6x. You change the signs and add. So this cancels with this. You're going to get negative 12x. You add the 1. Again, the following step is first divided by first. So negative 12x divided by x gives you negative 12. And then you multiply what you just got by the two terms you're dividing by. So this becomes negative 12x. And negative 12 multiplied by 3 is negative 36. You change the signs and add. So here these cancel out, and you'll end up with 37, which is not divisible by x plus 3. So you stop here and say that your answer is going to be 2x minus 12. And then you have 37 remaining, which is going to be divided by what you're dividing by, which is x plus 3. And this is going to be your final answer.